Yes, and it has begun. A blizzard of cocaine is covering Chicago, Illinois in 2022, says DEA. Forecasters are saying even though it's extremely hot and humid, a blizzard of cocaine is covering and blanketing the entire Midwest. It's a blizzard, my boy. It's a real blizzard. In the previous year, cocaine has taken over our area. The DEA has obtained 2 tons of cocaine. 2 tons. That is up over 50% from the year before. A blizzard indeed it is. As of April of this year, just in Chicago alone, the quantity has risen greatly. The temps are up and it's sweaty but hot. But this snowstorm of cocaine doesn't have an end in sight. Blizzardous day, eh? Chicago is in the land. Chicago is the landing point for the blizzard from Colombia and other South America locations. Get to it, Chicago, and then spread the snow or something. Stop the snow, eh? That's what they say. No, keep the snow moving, eh? This September, a huge cocaine bust went down in Chicago when Anthony Hernandez, who lives on a ranch in Mexico, he would have someone in Chicago waiting that would readily pick up around 220 pounds of cocaine in Chicago. This Hernandez fella was connected in a huge way, working directly for a board of leaders of Mexican cartel. Yikes. What the reporter says. Snow everywhere. Snow all over the cars. Back in September 2021, Hernandez was lining up a shipment to Bolingbrook, Illinois, and that was one tracked by and had DEA waiting for him. Busted. He is currently still locked up by the feds. For years, weed was the big one. The drug traffic world was as green as it can get. Now with Margina locked and legal in Illinois, marijuana, that has switched in cocaine in number 1. To number 1, I must say. And there are great places to live in Illinois, but I won't be talking about that. You keep in tune, you stay in tune at all times. This is YNV Ciego. Drop by at any point in time. I'm in Chicago where the cocaine is legal. It seems legal as much cocaine as it has mostly been bringing in. But that's all. As I get back to doing what I do best. Distributing this cocaine.